What's up, guys? It's December 11th, 2020. Is it December 11th already? 2024. We have like 2 weeks left in the markets. Staying flat for most of this month. I'm just working and I'm preparing for next year. Got some cool stuff in the works in terms of videos. And yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm pretty excited. Daily chart, 15 minutes. Hope you guys had a good day. We had a trend day. I consider it a trend. It wasn't really a full-on trend day. Full-on trend days are really rare. They happen like 5% of the time. Excuse me. I got my dog right next to me, so hopefully he just chills out right now. He's being cool. I can't say WALK because he's already looking at me. He knows that word. Oh my god, he got up. Okay, anyway, so daily chart, 15-minute chart. Daily chart. We had that pullback. I was saying this is the first pull. I was talking about this in yesterday's breakdown. How this could be a better buy than a sell. Nonetheless, now at the end of today, we had a sell off. So this could have just been a pullback to these two bars. We're in training range. So training range get deep pullbacks. They get delayed second legs. This bar is a trend bar closing on its high. So it could get its own second leg before bears get its second leg. Tomorrow's gonna be interesting now because we've had a big down, we've had a big up. So what's gonna happen tomorrow? I don't know. 15-minute chart, first three bars is a micro channel pullback. This is my setup, so I would buy any one of these three bars. I don't know if I'd buy the first 15-minute failure, but look, buying that, bulls made 1R, so go for 1R of the 5 bar, make that. So you can make 2R if you bought the low here. Pretty cool to see how. So look here as well. Here's a 3-bar micro channel pullback. You can buy it and scalp to the high and make money. 3-bar micro channel, buy the pullback, scalp out to the high, make money. 3-bar micro channel, buy the pullback, scalp out at the highs. Then we go sideways. We have 2 legs up, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. And any leg past leg 2 is a trading range. And just because I say that doesn't mean we're going to get that trading range right away. Sometimes, the trading, there'll be so much momentum. They'll just keep going smaller, smaller, smaller. It's like trends are like Titanic ships, or not. I don't know why I said that. Trends are like ships. When they turn direction, they're going to turn very slowly because there's a lot of momentum. So yeah, let's think about that when we see a trend and you guys are trying to short the bull trend. I've definitely been there. If you trade micro channels, that momentum will keep you on the right side of the market. 4-bar micro channel, deep pullback. I would not short this, but you could short for a scalp, and then later on we get a down leg at the end of the day. Gap up. I was looking at bar 2 today. I was thinking like, could it be a good buy? And I think bar 2 was a good buy. Bar 2 is right here. So this is bar 2. So bar 103 is bar 1. It would be so cool to have RTH numbers on the ETH chart. I'm assuming this was news at 5:30 with follow through. First pullback led to a second leg sideways a little bit, another leg higher, and then 103, 104 is the first and second bars. 3-bar micro channel, first pullback led to another 4-bar rally. So that's the context for the gap up. It's trending. We are coming late into that trend because we already had 34 legs up on the ETH chart. And now we're looking at the RTH chart. So leg 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. First pullback, bar 7, led to 2 more bars. And then we get a deeper pullback here. Market goes sideways for about 9 bars, 9 to 18. Creates a bull flag triangle. I think these 9 bars, so that's what? 5. Oh yeah, it's the 15-minute chart we just looked at. So bars 1 through 9 are right here. Man, I wonder how I can get the same set of numbers on every chart. So RTH numbers on the ETH, RTH numbers, 5-minute RTH numbers on the 15-minute chart. So this would be bar 9. That would be interesting. I don't know about that. Anyways, so remember I was talking about this pullback here. That's this right here. So because price action is fractals, the setup works across all time frames. Pullback, it breaks out. There's more bullish momentum. I've talked about this in the past. I haven't brought it up in a while. Let me get the arrows going and turn them off. How do I do this? I don't remember. Oh, that's not the right tool. Let me do this now. So if this is the momentum direction, it's going up, and then the range is tight enough that it wasn't more than 20 bars, so the market cycle didn't necessarily reset. There's still bullish momentum, and the momentum gets spat out in the same direction. Remember that? I talked about it a little bit ago. That's a good example right here of a bull flag, bullish momentum, sideways, bullish momentum. Nonetheless, I think it's more important to just view the market from one type of context, and that would be 3 bars. So bulls get more than 3 bars. They're trending strongly. We have an opposite. We don't have an opposite bar, but we have a trading range bar here. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, and we go sideways again. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. A lot of reasons for the market to go sideways around bar 30, 33, 32, 33. I don't let my dog on my bed, so he just stares at it. Like, I remember when I was a baby, I was allowed on your bed. He's not allowed on the bed anymore. Only when he was like the size of my hand. Good boy. When he wants to play, like, he takes my hand off the mouse, so I have to keep putting it back. Anyways, and there he goes again. So third leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, breaking out this high. If you want to restart the leg count from here, leg 1, opposite bar, 20, 25, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. So many reasons that we're gonna go sideways. Only 5% of the day we trend most of the day, or excuse me, 5% of the day we trend all day. It's more common to get a move in one direction and then go sideways. And here we went sideways and then a move in direction. Here we got that move in that this was trying to get its own second leg sideways, a little bit more lower, but we didn't really break out. 21 was low, kind of super sideways. Move in one direction, moving big down, big up, led to trading range. Move in one direction, big down, trading range. Trading range, move in one direction. Where's bar 3? Okay, so we kind of had a move here. You guys get the gist of it. All day trends don't happen too often. There's more of a chance that some part of the day will be a trading range, and that's okay too, because how do we? So I'm saying we read the market. We read the markets from a 3 bar perspective, breaking out. Well, here's 3 bars, but these 3 bars got a market channel against it. So that in itself tells you we're in a trading range. 3 bars on the bear side, 3 bars on the bull side. That's a trading range. You see, 3 bars here, 2 legs lower for the bears, and it breaks out. It's a bull flag. So there's lots of ways to read the markets just from a microchannel perspective. I talked about every time frame from a microchannel perspective. I talked about this time frame, talked about the daily, 15-minute, and 5-minute. And the point of that is markets are fractal. So it's okay to talk like that because it will add context. And then once we get the context, we're like, okay, we're in a trading range. I'm going to wait for a 3 bearish macro channel and I'm going to fade it. Okay, bull's got macro channel here, but it's late and that's like the 5th leg. That's a better fade now. We're at the high of the trading range. So now you fade the bull macro channel. I don't do that yet, but is it definitely in my future sometime, maybe in the middle of next year. Right now I'm focused on breakout and momentum plays only to stay just with doing one thing, getting really good at one thing. So let's just draw on some gaps and then the measured moves. Bulls got a gap up, they got a gap here. Gaps talk about trap traders. So it takes 3 bars to make a gap. And the reason it takes 3 bars to make a gap here, so bears see bar 3, they see the big gap up. Bears see the downtrend, they see the big gap up, and they put limit orders at the high of bar 3. Bar 4 breaks out. So bar 4 breaks out and it traps them. Bar 5 doesn't give them a chance to get out, so now they have to start buying back shorts. That's why it's better to have 3 bars in the same direction. This is a bear bar, bull bar, where this is 3 bull bars, because there's more likely chance for bulls to be buying a bull bar instead of a bear bar. But nonetheless, bulls saw bar 7 as a pullback and faded it. See how there's bears that shorted this had an opportunity to get out here. So that's why the market went sideways, because now bears can short here and make money. So that's not a strong trend because get out at break even and make money on their second trade. So bulls have to buy low, bears are shorting highs. They get 2 legs lower, and then it rallies. Another gap here. Another gap here. Another gap here. 3 gaps. 2 gaps from open show trending market behavior. Another 3 gaps within the microchannel, trending market behavior. Another gap here, trending market behavior. But this is the first gap that gets closed. Another reason. So now we're in the third leg and gaps are getting closed. 2 more context ideas based off microchannels and gaps that tell us the market's range bound. This gap gets tested and it goes for another leg. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, high 1, bar 50. Bar 50 is a high 1, leg 1, pull back leg 2. High 1s in training ranges tend to lead to legs lower. There are usually more sellers above high 1s. That's why it's better to wait for high 2s. We go sideways. So now we can do microchannels and call it good. Put it at the pullback. 1-to-1 is met quickly. I would take profits if I was you. If you guys brought bar 7 and met 1-to-1 within 2 bars, take profits. Wait for the pullback. They move too fast, too far, too fast. The market's gonna retract. If you bar microchannel, maybe you buy the high of 20. 1 hour is met over a 4-bar period. It's important to know your setup and how many bars it generally takes for you to make money within that setup. 22, 23, 24. 3 bars here. You get the pullback. We're getting late into the trend. You have to sit through a lot of bars. I think bar 2 was a good buy. Bar 7 was a good buy. Then we start to go more sideways. If you caught any of this rally, that's great. And then sideways price action, scalp out. No. Yeah, there's no more setups. See how there's better, easier setups at the beginning of the day when the market was trending one direction, open gaps. Hope you guys had a good one. I kind of like taking a break off the markets. You know, I'm able to digest everything I've learned this year. I've been kind of just hounding away at trading, trying to get payouts there, left, right, up, and center. So just trying to spend some time with the family during the holidays and relax. Doesn't mean I'm not watching. I'm still studying every day. When I say relax, I mean just actively trading. I'm just not actively trading. I'm still doing the whole study game. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one, everyone. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the questions. I appreciate them. And yeah, hit me up. Hope you guys are doing good. Tell me what type of trades you guys are taking. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.